Dear friends, we will see how I behaved in the market today. So this stock opened at 2747 and made a very big candle in the first 5 minutes itself. And when these are my indicators. This black one is 44 EMA, this green one is super trend, and this is VWAP. I have made my own indicator using ChatGPT, including EMA 44, VWAP, super trend, RSI, and Camarilla pivots. So this red line is the Camarilla resistance, which it is the indicator has given, and somewhere here there is the support. I think here, let me check. This is a 4-hour level also. No, not this. Maybe here in this under this blue line. This blue line is actually a weekly support of this stock, 2700. In fact, 2685 or something is the weekly support of this particular stock. So this big candle it made, and then there was a retest of VWAP with these two candles. Then again there was a rejection. Then again when the VWAP is retested somewhere here around 2703, I shorted this. Actually I should have been shorting at the VWAP, that is 2707, but I got little bit delayed and I shorted at 2706. Then it came to, I saw some 80 rupees profit. So I am trading with only 10 quantity. Last week I traded with only 2 quantity, and now I am trading with only 10 quantity. So I am trying to uh, train my mind to accept losses, small loss, and also to accept small profits. So I just want to detox my brain of the dopamine which I used to get when I was trading options. So then I try to manage this retest. Then there was a doji candle, then this candle. So I got fed up. I thought, this, I got very bored. There was no movement at all. For you see 5 minute time frame, this is somewhere here. If I have started, it took almost 20-25 minutes, nothing happened. So then I exited with just, when I calculated the profit after the charges, it was just 27 rupees. So yeah, I don't know what my mindset was. One was boredom. Second thing was that I was scared that if it goes and closes above VWAP, and if it goes towards 44 EMA from here, then I would incur losses. So that my mind was hesitant to accept losses also. So probably my mind was thinking it is better to come out with small profits than accept losses. But afterwards, you see, if I was not exiting, my target of 20 points I could have achieved. 2703. I ended at something 2703, something like that, and very easily. So now this is 23.45. So very easily I could have achieved my target of 20 points. So this was some restlessness, then fear, also boredom. All of those things has taken into account. I ended the short. I shorted this thing looking at this weekly level. So I thought this, because of this big red candle, this stock might break down this weekly level. That's what I thought. It did break down, but then it got, again buying started at this level and went to 44 EMA. So then this 44 EMA candle, after seeing that there were two big candles, even if I was shorting here also, again I could have got 20 points. But then I did not do. I was not feeling very confident because this was the first touch to 44 EMA. Okay, then second touch was not a very good setup. You can see. Third touch also, even this candle rejection from the resistance and VWAP, 2 o'clock, I thought I would short, but then it is the stock was above VWAP 44 EMA, and also the RSI was showing up. It was RSI was high, so because of that I didn't short here. So my today's profit was 27 rupees. I feel like laughing because when I was doing options, how much big profits I made, and also equally double or more than double those profits I used to lose in other days. So I could not control my losses. That's why I could not survive in options trading. So now I'm training my mind with a small quantity of stock to accept small losses and small profits. Thank you very much for watching.